Hi, welcome to another cooking video. Today I'm going to show you how I cook clay pot chicken rice with mushroom and Chinese sausage. So let's get started. I have already prepared the rest of the ingredients beforehand. Let's begin with the rice. I soak this for 30 minutes and wash it until the starch are gone or until the water is clear. So this is 2 cups. I add the water that I used to soak the mushroom after washing. Add some sesame oil. And 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Let's mix it. And put it over the fire. Cover and cook for about 5 minutes. While the rice is cooking, let's prepare the chicken. I marinated this earlier. Now we add the ginger, the mushroom slices, and let's mix it all together. Mix the ingredients thoroughly. Now we check the rice. Supposed to be, there should be a little water when we add the chicken. Sorry, my other hand is holding the camera. So we spread it on top of the rice. We add the Chinese sausage. This is a liver sausage. Cover and cook for about 10 to 15 minutes or until the chicken is cooked. We use a small fire. Cooking time may depend upon your cookware and the fire you use. Let's check. I can see that the chicken is ready. So there it is. We cut the Chinese sausage. Let's garnish with spring or green onions. Cover for 1 to 2 minutes until the spring onions are wilted so that that nice aroma will come out. So there it is. It is ready. This is our clay pot chicken rice with mushroom and Chinese sausage. This is all for today. Thank you for watching. Until next time.